Hey guys, long time didn't talk. Welcome back to my...
Oh shit!
No, this is much better.
Oh shit!
Welcome back to my no bullshit channel. We talk real stuff only, okay? So what I want to talk today, I want to talk about Zcash. I will explain you why Zcash, because right now I see normal potential Zcash. That's why I'm talking, okay? People say, why I'm not talking about Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash or whatever. I see potential. That's why I'm talking about Zcash. So you can see now, everything is down. Crypto is down, right? And a little bit, it's variations up and down. So for me, I just waited for $35 for Zcash. I'm buying more, okay? But let's see what are pros and cons and why I'm talking about Zcash. First of all, halving. So Zcash halving in 30 days. Some say halving in 22 days. It's normal. Why they don't have dates? Because it will depend on traffic, right? How many transactions? What is a block? You cannot predict exact day of halving, but more or less in 1 month we know Zcash it will be halving Zcash, okay? What does it mean halving? The block reward will decrease from 3.1 to 1.6, right? So Zcash is like Bitcoin. He started from 6.5, from I believe 625. Yeah, they started 625, and then last time in November 2020 it was decreased on 3.12, and this year in 1 month, somewhere in the middle of May, it will decrease on 1.5 Zcash per block. Okay, so very promising. As of now, we have around 16 million Zcash from 21 million, and Zcash halving is here. So I really expect Zcash price will be booming. Okay, again, that's my expectation, not your financial advisor. Okay, so we are talking about Zcash. Okay, now one thing I want to add, which is very important. Okay, it's all about business. Okay, so on Reddit you see someone mentioned this rally can go 2023 Zcash with BTC compare. Many people compare, but here I keep it simple, guys. Okay, what I say here, it will go soon. Zcash halving, new Zcash cycle just started in April. After this, to the moon. I try to make it simple, okay, without all this, TAs, technical analysis, this. It's nice to have, but we always need to start from simple, okay? And then it was mentioned, I still agree that Zcash is starting. I have some you post in early March. What I told you that Zcash cycle will start in April, right? And it look like it started, but we need more proof, right? Now lowering expectation, and I have a question: what your currency allocation? I assume you say 40% more in BTC. So where are you other 50%? Okay. So here, just look into my answer, and you will understand, more wider picture. Okay. As I always say, my crypto videos, you should hold minimum 50% in BTC. And here's the proof. If you look here on last tab, okay, on the right side, you can see that Bitcoin is 80% from the lowest point. No one coin from here. I mean strong point. This is garbage. This is Chinese garbage. And don't look, on this some China, pump and dump going on. If you look on Bitcoin and you look for proof of work coins, okay, on proof of work coins, no one of them, in first level, second level, it's only SIA coin, okay? Congratulations on those who are holding SIA coin. No one of them even reach close to Bitcoin, okay? Half, most of them half. You see, Litecoin half, Bitcoin Cash half, Dash half, Zcash lagging. The Ethereum Classic half, all of them reach only half of value of Bitcoin. I mean, in terms of uptrend, only 30%. Bitcoin is already almost 80%, right, from beginning of the year. That's why I always say, keep 50% in Bitcoin, and then take a risk and play. And what kind of risk I'm talking about, okay? People misunderstand why Bitcoin was introduced. It was introduced as cryptocurrency. I will repeat, cryptocurrency, cryptocurrency. People just forget, they forgot about second word, currency. Somehow they lost second word currency and only concentrated on crypto. This why so many garbages, there's so much money lost between all these shit tokens, okay? And I say, this is my vision, okay? And I always share it because I want you to learn, okay? You want to take the best of my vision, add your vision, but take the best what you think is relevant to you. Keep it clean and follow cryptocurrency project, which is why this was designed. This was not designed for gambling. This was not designed, to go up and down. It was designed to make our life easy. When I go to Reddit and I want to buy silver, I pay with cryptocurrency if I want. Okay, no one can stop me. No one can hold my account, my bank account. Oh, you buying gold, silver? We don't allow you, okay? No one can do it because this is only you and only the seller. It's peer-to-peer transaction. Just giving you an example. You want to buy gold, silver, you go and buy it, and no one can stop you. Okay, no one can tell you, oh, you are using this for gold and silver. We will not allow you to do this, right? You know what's going on in the world. In Israel, they introduce 50,000 shekel, for example, $12,000. You cannot hold cash in a home. You must to provide to IRS all details, how much cash you are holding. The same in Russia, the same in Europe. You need to report to IRS how much of cash you are holding. Can you believe in this, guys? So this is why cryptocurrency is helping people. Okay, this is why it was introduced. So I always say, keep the good guys project which are mostly proof of work, like BTC, BCH, LTC, Dash, BSV, Zcash, Monero. They are mostly currency, guys. Cryptocurrency. Once you fully understand it, it's easy. No more bullshit. No more tokens. No more garbage in your portfolio. Okay? XRP, Solana, XLM, all this garbage. Why you need this complication? Oh, maybe it go up, maybe it's going down. I don't care, because I know if I hold BCH or I hold LTC, it's a currency. Any day I can use it as a payment, guys. This is why it was introduced. Not because, some gaming, or some, holding, all this, it's all bullshit, guys, okay? Look into root of the issue, look into core of the problem, okay? Because all these token heads will tell you Solana or XRP, go to the moon, why you hold it, guys? You need to understand. If you hold it to the moon, you're losers. If you hold it for technology, like currency, to use it, to utilize it as a payment between different countries, between India and between Europe, between China, whoever, Asia, what country you are, or even in US, you can buy things with this stuff. This is why when it becomes use, you can use it. Once it fully understand it is no more bullshit, just pure cryptocurrency. All you can lose is less profit than Bitcoin. But uptrend is normal. Keep it clean, learn and use it as a currency first. If advanced, if you learn enough, if you stable, you know what you are doing, okay? Then add privacy, like Zcash, like Monero, right? And another use cases like ETC, like Doge, right, or Digibyte, right, to help in the blockchain protocols, By the way, Zcash and Monero are the best example because they hold both cryptocurrency and privacy. Okay, this is why I'm very positive on Zcash. Okay, so now let's go to the root. Let's go to some. Not TA, but what's something I want to explain you. Okay, so let me clean it a little bit. Okay, so what is this? This is basically our trend, which is our friend, and you can see in 2017 we did 25x. In 2021, we did 12x. What is my expectation? My expectation is very low, by the way. It's 5-6x expectation for this bull run. Okay, why? Because we have a trend, and trend is downtrend. You see, downtrend. So my expectation, it will be lower. It may break it, okay, but I'm realistically, guys, looking on sync, okay. I don't want you to, oh, silverGameOfThrone trolled you. Know, I'm looking into charts and just understand what realistic you were am I. Okay, now what I have told you. I have told you that cycle end, you see, cycle end, okay. Here we have cycle end, you see, we have cycle end and new cycle, right? Cycle end and new cycle, and you see dates, 1100 days, 1100 days here, 1100 days, 1089 days. You see, very close, very similar. It's how many? It's around 3 years, a little bit less than 3 years, right? Because 3 years will be, yeah, 1100, yeah, or around 3 years. So this cycle ended somewhere in, you see, in a February it ended. Now in April I expect, okay, this is not yet, okay, oh, 1 second, I want to move it out, okay, so it will be clear where we are. So we are here now, right? So cycle started, right? Cycle start. Let's assume I'm right, okay? I am mostly right, I'm wrong, okay? Let's assume I'm right and cycle ended. So we are in a new cycle, okay? What expect in a new cycle? On a middle term, on a long term? So again, long term, I told you 5x, okay? In this, you know, bull run. Let's see middle term. Let's see how it correlated with the halving. So what I will be doing, I will looking in the first halving. First halving was in November 2020. Yeah, boom. I introduce you the first halving, okay? And then I introduce the peak. You see the peak when we peak. And let's validate what was the difference in days between these two dates. And you can see 166 bars, not 666, 1666, okay? 166 bars, which is around half year between halving day and between peak. Okay, so we are 1 month before halving start. And by the way, you see, before halving, it came from like 28 bucks to like 60 bucks, right? Like 2x it did, right? Let's see what we have here. Here we have like 30 bucks. So we are 1 month before. Yeah, so I believe somewhere in middle of May, we will be around 60 bucks. It's something similar what happened here. We are going to have here. You see, this whole area is before halving area. This is before halving area. But what if I will take this bars pattern, okay? Bars pattern like this one. This was already copied, you see. This bar pattern from here. And I will put it here, okay? Just to see where we will be with this halving, right? With this halving. And as you can see, more or less, with this halving, we are going to reach the same level, 5x, okay? 5x level. And the day, 160-day bars, I took 160-day bars here, okay? And put it here where it will be, and it will be somewhere in October. So 6 months after second halving, which will be May, we will see a peak, okay, based on historical data. We'll see a peak for Zcash. So 6 months, it will be somewhere in the end of October. In a nominal value, it will be around $175. $175, okay, which is 5x, probably, yeah, 5x from where we are today. It's not bad, guys. It's not bad to make 6x in 5-6x in 6 months. Compare this to silver to gold, okay? It's the same like silver, $100. Everyone will be crazy, right? Here no one will be crazy. Every silver Zcash will be $170. So what? Okay, so utilize this information. Okay, don't trust silverGameOfThrone. Do your analysis. Okay, be smart, ape, be sharp. Okay, but I'm sharing with you what is my expectation. And as I said, okay, I'm waiting for Zcash to reach $35. Maybe we have a weak points, you know, this weeks, you know, because you know, it's dollars, you know, going up, dollar index a little bit. So I see gold fell, Bitcoin fell. So utilize it on your profit. You know, I'm buying on dips because I know $40, $35 is nothing for Zcash. And Zcash bull run just started right here, okay? And expect next, you know, the bull market. Usually it came, you see, from February 2020 to May 2021. You see, yeah, it's very. This is where we expect. You know, maybe it go up and then maybe go down. Maybe settle on the same numbers. Okay, no one knows, but I think this is reachable. Also, if you take Fibonacci, and Fibonacci you take from high level, you see, from high level to low level, then I see two numbers here. The first number 0618 current. You see $150. You see Fibonacci also show you that $150 is reachable. Okay, it's very likely to be reached $150, and I told you 175. You see this rate, and there is a second Fibonacci, okay, which is here 01618, not 01, but 1619. Once we break this, and you know, and you know, confirm, you know, that we have breakdown, and then confirm it, then we go to the second level. Then second level, guys, it's $1,500, $1,600. Okay, I don't know if you'll see it this year. I'm sure not this year. Okay, but maybe in next halving, who knows? Okay, but even for this halving to make, you know, like a middle term, you know, to have like 5x is no brain. Think about Bitcoin today is $30,000. To make 5x, Bitcoin need to be 150,000. What is easy for Bitcoin to make 150,000 or for Zcash make 150? Okay, do your math. I did my math. I'm waiting for $35 to buy more. I'm using dollar cost average with all these guys. Adios. All the best guide from No. Bye bye guys, all the best.